You've been asked to pentest an unknown network. But hey, you don't know anything about that network. Interfaces, hosts, directories, shares, DNS servers, operating systems, ports, open or closed, nothing, completely blind. Well, this course is for you. Reconnaissance using Nmap. Here you will learn to probe like a pro, craft your own TCP packet, and send it towards your target. You will learn how to evade firewalls and intrusion detection systems and get all the valuable information that is needed for your penetration testing. And this is me. You will get to know me later. I'll be your instructor.